How do you find the absolute best opportunities here in crypto? Well, you find them underneath promising looking layer 1s, and in this case we're looking at Aptos. You guys saw Aptos do a quick 4x just a couple of days ago, and now we will be looking at the projects beneath Aptos, because if Aptos does a 4x, those projects can do a 40x, and if Aptos does 20x or 100x, well, you do the math. We got some promising looking projects here, and of course I want to make it super obvious that this video is not financial advice. This is just my personal opinion. First up, we have a really promising looking project. They're working directly with Aptos and delivering some amazing products. Of course, I'm talking about Pontem Network, and I'll just go through exactly what they do and what they have delivered and what they will deliver in the future as well. They also have a big community. Just looking over at their Twitter, over 100k followers, and they are very active. Looking on their website, we can see how they present themselves. Aptos Product Studio, incubating Pontem Wallet, liquidswap.com, and more. So let's scroll down here. They have a really big community. Over 200,000 people have joined the community in total. It's backed by Aptos, as I said, with over 40,000 monthly users, and that's active users, so that's a big difference from a dead community. So who are they? Pontem is a product development studio building products with Move on Aptos and other layer 1s. They partnered with Aptos to build foundational products which enable adoption for billions of users. Basically, they are a studio that are delivering products, so following them and seeing what they deliver could give some really amazing opportunity, especially coming up into the next bull run when Aptos might 50x. Just imagine what these projects could do then. They offer a wallet, liquid swap, and liquidity farming, and will offer a lot more in the future. But right now they are the only immutable production grade AMM DEX on Aptos, with both volatile and stable pools, a fully audited list of default assets, yield farming, and more. And the Pontem wallet, basically it's a great wallet where you can integrate NFTs and much more directly in the wallet, which is something that we need going forward if we want NFTs to be integrated in crypto in a good way and not just on websites and more, but we need them directly in the wallet so you can see what you're collecting. And the cool thing here is that the wallet is just not a plugin for Chrome, it's actually delivered on the iOS App Store already, so you can download and use it on your phone. But they're also doing some really cool things here with the community. So they are providing template packages for smart contract development on Aptos. They're actively hiring for various positions, and they're building the leading wallet and asset swap on Aptos. Basically, they are in the forefront. They are delivering the latest stuff on Aptos, which is really exciting. When finding really good projects, usually you find them beneath other really good projects. In this case, we got Aptos, then we got Pontem, and as we can see, they are already delivering and providing us with good features. It's really promising looking when they are actively hiring, looking for more people to join the team. And since they are providing template packages, it also means that they're expanding the ecosystem, and that's why I decided to talk about it in this video, because it's looking really promising and they are building a great community. In a community like this, you usually find really promising looking projects, and that is one of the ways you can find good projects for the future, those that do those 100x that we all try and catch all the time in crypto. We already checked out their Twitter, 100k followers. They are active on Twitter. They are doing giveaways, airdrops, and much more if you're active in the community. So that's really cool. If you are new to crypto, or if you live in a place in the world where you don't have a lot of money, maybe you cannot afford to invest, then you can be active in the community and hopefully make some money as well. Kind of give you a start in crypto. Next up on our list, we have Topaz, and Topaz is an NFT marketplace on Aptos. It is the largest NFT marketplace on Aptos, actually, with compatibility for multiple wallets. And we all know there are multiple marketplaces, and in the end, what matters more is the community around the NFTs. But it's really good to be early in a marketplace like this, because you can find some really cool gems as NFT projects being launched on marketplaces on new layer 1s. They're doing some pretty cool things here. They're offering tools for creating, publishing, and trading NFTs. They also have a launch pad for new projects, and this is one of the places where you can find really cool launches and really cool projects early. I'm not saying jump into every project and every chance there is, but if you see something launches on a marketplace and it's just not some random project, then I would say it's a little bit safer than just finding random projects. So in this case, you can make a list and and kind of follow that list through and see how the projects perform and develop over time, and then you know what will explode in the next bull run. Basically, you're collecting like a portfolio or, well, an archive of all the projects that you like and look forward to what they do in the future, and then you will be prepared for the next bull run and know what to buy and so on. So that is really cool. The estimated total trading volume across major NFT collections reached millions of dollars, and if I remember correctly, it was above $5 million, which is pretty impressive. It is on a new blockchain, a new marketplace, so that's pretty cool. And as I said before, there's great potential for early investors to find high return NFT projects. When you have a platform like this on a new layer 1, there will be some projects that go absolutely crazy, and well, there will be projects that go to zero as well, so please do your own research. But there will be some immensely promising looking projects here. I can't tell you exactly which project. I believe if you honestly look at them yourself and decide for yourself, you can make a portfolio of promising looking projects. Follow them over time, just keep track of how they're doing, and then you will know exactly how to invest in order to make those crazy NFT returns. On their Twitter, we can see that they have a pretty big community, but the thing I wanted to highlight here is Topaz is putting together a free Aptos builder job board to help support the ecosystem. If you're interested, drop a message in our Discord. Details soon. This might be that they are looking to hire more people, or that they are looking for people to help them build and expand the community and the ecosystem that they are building. That is really cool, and it means that they are engaging with their community, something that is necessary for big growth in the future. Next up, we have a project that we are super early to. I want you to keep that in mind because I cannot promise how it develops in the future, but it's really good to keep track of projects this early because you can have some of the biggest chances. I'm of course talking about Merkel Trade, and they have a trading platform that is decentralized, and they have just launched their beta testing. So we're basically as early as we can be, and just scrolling down here we can see a post just 3 hours ago. Launched Testnet, updated entry and exit fee structure, added market skew and price impact info, optimized synchronization, adjusted UI and more. They are super active and working hard on their product, and that's what we like to see. As I said in one of my previous videos, utility is one of the key ways to find really good projects that deliver and do those crazy 100x's in the future. Looking at the website, we can see what they do. Trade crypto and forex with up to 1000x leverage. I wouldn't trade crypto with 1000x leverage, but maybe forex is more of a thing because it's not as volatile. It's really cool that they're integrating both features, and as we can see here, their testnet is live for testing, so that's really cool. It's basically a decentralized exchange platform with public beta testnet that has launched. It offers fast settlement times and a wide range of trading pairs, as we saw, up to 1000x leverage, over 10 trading pairs, and an execution delay of just 1.3 seconds with 0% spread. So what we expect from this project going forward is continuous updates and new features during the next 2 to 3 months as they develop, provide features, and launch their project. If they can do that and have a good system in place, they could grow really fast, and in there we can find some of the best opportunities. They encourage community feedback and offer rewards for bug reporting, really important, involving the community in the development of the platform and rewarding those that help. Overall, I would say this is not a complicated project or product, but it is something that is necessary on Aptos, and as we can see here, it is powered by Aptos, meaning they work with Aptos, and this is really promising looking. If you're early to something like this, it could give some really big rewards. We're waiting to see here exactly what the opportunities will be, but if you are here, if you're following them on Twitter and just checking in, I'm not saying dedicating your life to this project, but if you can just track these projects, just check up every day in the morning, just check these projects, see how it's going, you will find some amazing opportunities. Now that's it for this video. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. I'll keep on covering promising looking projects, especially on the new layer 1s that are coming up. Sui, also we'll talk about Arbitrum, Optimism, and much more. But basically the whole idea is finding really promising looking projects beneath other promising looking projects, and that's how you find the crazy returns. Please let me know what you think in the comments down below. I'll keep on working and finding new projects. Thank you guys for watching as always, and I'll see you guys next time.